Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are veganizing a fast food classic, the Big Mac. Now I have never had a real Big Mac. Growing up, my mother did not let us have ground beef from fast food places, and then just, I didn't eat it as a child. I never really ate it as a teenager, and by the time I got to the point in my life where I could make my own decisions, I never ate it, and now I'm a vegan. So I'll never get to experience real Big Mac, but I don't think I'm missing out on much because this vegan version is freaking delicious. I did use the Beyond Burger for this. I didn't have time to figure out a homemade patty recipe because while you guys are watching this, I'm away on vacation. Yeah, I just wanted to get a recipe out for you guys. Use any vegan burger you have available to you, whether it's a veggie burger, whether it's the Beyond Burger, whether it's your favorite burger that you make, whatever it is, just use what you got. And yeah, it comes out really good. I think it was really, really delicious. So let's hop into the recipe.
We're going to start this off by making our special sauce. So vegan mayo is the first ingredient of this. I'm using the one from Sir Kensington's. Grade A maple syrup from Trader Joe's. Ketchup, dill relish, and apple cider vinegar are going in next. And finally, some onion powder and salt. And we're going to mix this very, very weird concoction up together to make our sauce. I have to say, I'm not a big fan of ketchup or mayo, but something about the two of them together works out pretty well. And I'm just going to refrigerate this until we're ready to use it. I'm going to get my veggies ready, so I'm chopping up a little bit of onion. I chopped up a little too much. Don't do as much as I did. Just do like 1/8 of an onion because you don't really need that much. And we're going to chop it up into little tiny pieces. I don't really know why McDonald's went with raw onion instead of cooking them a little bit, but whatever. And then I just couldn't find any little sliced pickles, so I just used some whole dill pickles and cut it into little pieces. I think McDonald's uses sour dill pickles if you want a more authentic feel. And then I just shredded up some iceberg lettuce. Super easy toppings. All right, so I'm taking one Beyond patty and I'm going to cut it in half. The Big Mac patties are actually pretty thin. I didn't realize that until I was looking at pictures of them. So I cut it in half, kind of poorly, and then I'm just going to take my fork and mush it together into a bigger, more uniform patty. And I'm measuring it against the buns just to make sure they're around the same size. And I actually love doing this with the Beyond Burgers because I think they just cook a little bit better and crispier. And I was never a big fan of like hunky meat before going vegan. And then I'm going to season it with a little bit of garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. So yeah, I love making these thinner patties like this. Just comes out better. And then obviously what we do to one patty, we do to the other. And I did the same thing. Then we're going to bring it over to a pan, nice nonstick pan. I'm putting the patties seasoning side down so I can season the other side. And then we're just gonna let them cook. The Beyond meat has a lot of oil in there, so I do not add any extra oil to this. As you can see, that's gonna all start bubbling in about 2 seconds. And like I said, it really doesn't need any extra oil. This is like a lot of oil in the Beyond meat patty. And after about 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna give it a flip, and they're nice and golden brown. See, I just think they cook so much better when they're thinner, actually. And just cook it for another few minutes till it gets brown on that side. Okay, I'm going to remove one patty from the pan, and I'm going to put my vegan cheddar cheese. McDonald's uses American cheese. You can use vegan American or vegan cheddar, it's fine. I'm using the one from Whole Foods, really love this. And my buns so we can get them nice and toasty. So now let's assemble this burger. I'm gonna take one bun. We're gonna take some special sauce, and we're gonna put it on there. You can do as much or as little as you like. Then we're gonna add on some of that shredded lettuce. Next up, the cheese. So when I was looking at the picture, I realized the cheese goes underneath the burger, which doesn't really make any sense, but I was trying to keep it authentic. Then we're taking one Beyond Meat patty. Then we're gonna take some of our raw chopped onion. I guess McDonald's did it so it would streamline the process of using raw onion rather than a cooked onion, but I don't know. I feel like I would want it cooked. Then you have to take another bottom bun. I actually realized mine was too big and cut it in half to make it thinner. Then we added more special sauce, more lettuce. Here come our pickles. Now we can add that other patty, more onions, and then finally the top burger bun. I used some food photography magic, toothpicks, skewers to help me out to make this look a little more mushed down and better. But this is it. This is our vegan Big Mac. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Look at this baby. Oh yes.
All right, guys, and that was our vegan Big Mac. What'd you think of it? Do you want it? Does it look good? I know it's a little bit messy, but oh my gosh, it was so good. And I mean, I don't know if I nailed the special sauce or not, but whatever I put on there tasted phenomenal, for me at least. So I hope you guys try this. If you do, let me know how it goes. Leave a comment down below. Tag me on Instagram, an Instagram story, Instagram post, Instagram message, whatever. I just love to hear back from you guys, good or bad. I just love to know how it went. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Really helps the channel out. Because I'm away, there won't be a video on Sunday like there normally would be. So when I get back, I'll do Thursday, Sunday upload to make up for it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!